Hey you guys, today I am making bourbon chicken and yellow rice. I've already rinsed the chicken off. I'm just going through and cutting the fat off each chicken breast. Yeah, give me a second. So I wasn't sure if I wanted to cut it in whole and or split it in half. But clearly split it in half would be better. I feel like the chicken would be smaller and be less cooking time. Yeah. Yes, my youngest child, Tally, is home with me. Oh boy, she's a job on her own. I love my baby girl. She be everywhere. Yeah, that knife wasn't really cutting like I wanted it to. Nate brought these knives home from work, and they sharp, I'll tell you that. I had accidentally cut myself a couple weeks ago with one. So definitely trying to be careful here. I don't know what happened to our cutting boards. So cutting in the pan right now. Yeah, it would definitely be easier if I had a cutting board. But once I get these all chopped up, I'm gonna rinse them off again, get them cleaned up, and start seasoning them, y'all. I wanted to start recording me and Nate as we cook. I see a lot of people doing it, making content, and we love to cook, and it's something that we've always talked about doing. So now that I have the time with being at home, that's just something that I am going to start doing. Nate and the kids while they're at school, and I could just be at home cooking and cleaning and holding things down, and this would just give me something to do. And shout out to my babe. He is in barber school. I'm so proud of him. Oh my God. This is about to be lit. Like, I don't know if most of you guys already know, but I'm a cosmetologist. So it goes hand in hand. He's been cutting hair for years, and now he's going to be making it a profession. And I'm just super proud of my babe. So, it brings me joy to cook and have dinner ready when he gets home and when the kids get home as well. So shout out to us.
It was at this moment that she knew. She fucked up.
Charlie, stop. And listen, I know I said I love cooking and all, which sometimes I do, but sometimes it just be too much. Like, that's why Nate be cooking all the time, for real, because I don't have the patience. Um, like, I just like a 1, 2, 3 type meal. And that's number one, picking up my phone. Number two, finding where we want to eat at. And number three, DoorDash in that mug, because I be tired. Like, I really do. It be a lot. These kids, yeah, the kids, that's a lot. That's all. It be the kids. Y'all, bruh. Look at this big old thing of oil I bought earlier today. Big this thing is. I literally did not know it was gonna be this big. I should have. I paid $40 for it too. That's the crazy part. And yeah, something should have rung in my head. Like, girl, why are you spending $40 for some oil? This is definitely made for restaurants. But I will say that this right here should last us like all year. For the rest of the year. For real. I'm not pouring that much in there because I want the chicken to fry a little bit, but also let it do its thing and steam. This thing was heavy. That's crazy. It looks like a gas can, y'all. I am sick of me. I can't see that. So I'm about to get this rice going, y'all. Yes, some yellow rice. So like I said, we have a big family, kind of, 4 kids, 2 adults. So when we go shopping, we like to buy the 5-minute rice, the one that fluff up in 5 minutes and done. So this right here wasn't challenging, but I definitely had to read the directions because I didn't want to mess it up. Usually when I make rice, I tend to either put too much water and too much rice, or a little bit of rice and not enough water. So definitely had to pay attention to the directions on the rice here today.
Bruh.
Bring it here. Come here. Let me see it. Bring it here, Charlie. Look at that chicken. It's, first of all, it smells so good in here, y'all. You can smell like every ingredient. The color looks so good. The texture of the chicken feels good. It's going really good right now. Definitely has more time to go. So stay tuned. Keep watching. So I decided to add in some potatoes. I seen them sitting on the counter, and I was just like, let me add in some potatoes. And it was a good idea. Like the potatoes got all that, soaked in all that flavor from the chicken and the onions and the seasonings and the bourbon sauce. It was a great idea. So I know that everybody's gonna like it. So it was getting close to Nate and the kids coming home, and I was trying to hurry up and find a sugar so I can add it in with the sauce because I had tasted it again and it was sweet. Don't get me wrong, but it had more of a bitter taste, like a more of a soy sauce taste, and I wanted something sweeter. And Nate does not like sugar, like mixing his hot foods, I should say, because he'll put him in his grits though. But like spaghetti and stuff, like he does not mess with sugar. So I was trying to hurry up before he came in, so he wouldn't see me mix the sugar in. So here, I think he just walked in, but he didn't catch me putting the sugar in. So 5 points for me. Give me this. Ooh, I want to kiss. Trying to do something here. I was trying to hurry up and put some sugar in that so you won't see. I had tried that, but it tastes kind of more like soy sauce, but like it says soy sauce, water, salt, sugar, cane sugar, molasses, cornstarch, bourbon spice, garlic, lemon. Not him coming in the house looking all annoyed. Like, boy, it ain't my fault y'all had testing today. But yeah, come taste this food though.
That boy is good.
On Friday is we got to wear green clothes because we're making slime and we're eating candy.
On Friday?
Yeah, we got to wear green stuff. True.
Okay. Was that hot? There's the camera. You about to go change?
Yeah. Or is a good outfit work?
Yeah, that's fine.
It looks good to me.
Babe. Come here. Oh, I forgot to put make the crescent roll. I want you to try it first on camera, to be honest. Come here. Why don't you come try it? It looks really good. It's hot. Stop looking at it like that. Let me try this chicken first. It's hot. Where's mine? Give a thumbs up or down. Say hi to the camera. Say hi. What you think?
No, that's really good.
It's good?
I mean, it was hot. Hot. Oh my god.
What you think about the flavor?
Mommy, that side. No, not with me. Oh yeah, I'm here. Tommy, run.
Ooh, that's still pepper.
Rice turned out good. I'm just more of that. No, talk your shit.
Chocolate chips. I'm excited.
Girl, I didn't. Yeah, I said that. I said chocolate chip. Yeah. Up there.
Oh, chocolate chips. Where is it?
Make cookies.
Where's the
Uh-uh.
chocolate chips at?
What is that?
Where's the chocolate chips, huh? Mommy, where's the chocolate chips at?
Hold on.
I don't have any.
You don't even worry about chocolate chips right now. Right here. I got these earlier.
Look at these big old bags of Doritos.
I know.
Hey. Cheers.
Yeah. Let me show again. Big old fly. You see that? Look, see the oil?
Yeah, you got like 5 gallons, right?
The box is right there. How many gallons does it say?
Oh, dang, that's 17 gallons. Shoot, might as well put a little bit in the car, too.
Mommy.
Harold?
Have some of the drink.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get Tiki. Are you on the paper?
Look at me. Just slamming. Forgetting about the kids' plates. But I want to thank y'all for watching today. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Look forward to more videos coming. Please follow our YouTube page at Forkin Hilarious Fam, and also our TikTok at Forkin Hilarious Fam. I hope you all have a great day. God bless.